how to turn on or turn off continued on other devices on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. Now in here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and then tap on connected devices. Then tap on continue on other devices. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Now if you tap on the left hand side panel, in here say pick up where you left off on other devices, sign into your Samsung account. So your other devices need to be signed into the same Samsung account for this to work. In here, say continue apps, continue what you were working on in Samsung Notes, Samsung Internet, and other apps from one device to another by tapping the button that appears on the recent screens. Works with phones and tablets. And that's it. So there are other functions as well, copy and paste and Wi-Fi networks. After, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.